Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Jovenal Narcisse. And for today, we are going to unbox an item that came all the way from Amsterdam, Netherlands. This is from Europe, and I came to know about this brand from a blogger who is based in Berlin, Germany. And this is CRD. CRD is a very famous blogger in terms of contents about boots and salvage denim. He is one of my idols. This is where I research all the things about salvage denim. And I really appreciate his knowledge and information on his YouTube channel for the past so many months and years. And I really, and I'm one of the subscribers of this YouTube channel. And I like his contents, everything, and he is there to promote these salvage denim brands which are based in Europe. So with that blogging from contents from Mr. CRD, I came to know about this brand. This is the BENZAK Denim Developers. This salvage denim brand is based in Amsterdam, Netherlands, and they produce nice mid-weight salvage denim. And I'm also a subscriber of Mr. Leonard. Leonard is the name of the owner, and I've been a follower of his contents about his products on the BENZAK Denim Developers items and products. And they offer a lot of salvage denim jeans, western shirts, work shirts, t-shirts, and some jackets. So Mr. Leonard founded this salvage denim company, and he studied about fashion. I think he completed a course about this. I don't know, it is 4 or 5 years, and he really studied about salvage denim and about denim, about the process of coming out with a salvage denim, until such time that he was able to establish this company, which is called BENZAK Denim Developers. So on the last week of August last month, I found out that they offered some discount or sales in some of their products, and I believe that these products had been in their inventory for the past years. And it's good that they provided sale and discounts, and that is why I discovered this product. And what interested me most is their jacket, because I'm looking for a jacket which I'll be using for the second year Red Line Rally Denim Fade competition. As you know, I was one of the top 30 finishers of this contest last year. And looking for a certain jacket, I've been researching for a very nice jacket which will give me some vintage fading within a period of 1 year. And I finally decided to have this BENZAK Denim Developers product, which I will use for this Red Line Denim Fading competition. So they had this sale for the past 2 to 3 weeks, and it ended in the second week of September. And on the last week of August, I finally decided to order an item from them, and I selected a jacket. This jacket is called the BDJ01, which is a cowboy jacket, and they call it special number 2. And I would like to share with you what happened, or how this package came to my possession. From Netherlands, it was shipped in August 26. I think it took about 4 days to reach Los Angeles, which is okay. Los Angeles received the item on the September 1, and in September 5, it arrived here at SM Mega Mall in Manila. So you have a total of 10 days travel time from Amsterdam to the Philippines or Metro Manila. From Europe to the United States, it was sent through FedEx, and I paid 35 euros for the shipping fee. So we're going to open this box and find out the content of this package. By the way, this package came through the Philippines through the Johnny Air Cargo Plus. I have been a customer, a client of Johnny Air Cargo Plus for the past 2 years, and they are very efficient. I didn't have any problems with my parcels and packages, and I received them without any problems. So we're going to open this box. I was surprised that they sent it through a box, because as compared to my Iron Heart, which is also coming from the Europe, they only send me a plastic bag, and that's it. So we're going to open it. I have here the receipt. In total, I paid 133 and something euros, and this item was initially priced as 250 euros, and they reduced the price to 98 euros. But later on, after 1 week, when I purchased this, they again reduced the price into 81 euros. Oh, but it's okay. So I paid 133 to include the 35 euros shipping fee. So that is equivalent to 7,816 pesos. Do you know why I knew the conversion? It's because I paid through my PayPal account, and PayPal sends you the exact conversion in the peso as deducted from your bank account or credit card or debit card. So I paid 7,816 pesos, and the conversion then at that time when I purchased this item in August 26 was 58 pesos and 76 centavos per 1 euro, which is still cheap. And to include the PayPal charges on that amount. When this item reached Manila, and when I got this parcel, I paid a shipping fee for John Air Cargo Plus in the amount of 1,350. So in total, I paid 9,166 pesos for this piece of jacket coming from Europe, courtesy of BENZAK Denim Developers. We're going to set aside this. We will open and remove the plastic and initially conduct a impression on this jacket. This jacket has a fabric weight of 15 ounces. It's thick, it is mid-weight salvage denim, and this is size small. I usually have a size small, and this is a special number 2 of their model. BDJ, J for jacket, BDJ01. I think this is their first model of a Western jacket. This is actually a replica of those first cowboy jackets in the early 1900s. So you have 6 buttons, and you have rivets. You have 2 pockets in front. You have also some straps here. They don't have the strap at the lower back portion, but instead you have this kind of straps. So we'll open. By the way, this denim fabric is came from the Cangiani mills, which is based in Italy. Most of the salvage denim products or items from the BENZAK Denim Developers fabric came from this Cangiani mills, which is based in Italy. You have 2 pleats in front. You have the salvage ends. So this is the name of the fabric, Cangiani. This is, it belongs to, oh, I'm sorry, it says here, it's 16 ounces vintage indigo salvage. 16 ounces. So basically this fabric is nice for a vintage fading effect. So you have this. You can hang. You have buttons on the hem of the sleeves and rivets. And we're going to fit it immediately. Another tab there, it says special number 2. And one thing in detail is you have a bullhorn embroidery on the left pocket. This is their signature, actually. We have 2 buttons. They have a very nice silver button. which is exclusively for Benzac. This is my first Benzac item. Benzac item, and I think my size for their tops, jacket, and shirts is small. Nice. Nice profile, nice fit. Actually, this is the shoulder is 17 inches. The pit to pit is 20.5, and the opening here at the hem is almost 20 inches. The waist is almost 20 inches also, and it's nice. The length is, I think, 27 or 28 inches. The sleeves, I think it's more on 24 inches, and this is very nice, very comfortable. I think I'll get more Benzac items, and I'm targeting one of their shirts. Very nice. Yeah. Leonard, thank you. I hope you will give me some discount next time that I order from Benzac. You know, I'm already one of your promoters here in the Philippines. Thank you for this product, and I'm coming back and order some more from your company. So, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, and please click that notification bell so that you will get and be notified for my next YouTube contents and videos. And if you have any comments, positive or negative about this product, please write down below, and I would gladly answer your suggestions, comments, and other ideas. So with that, thank you for watching, and bye.